Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get 3D style Mac-like dog in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and the Google search for one application named as Arcade Launcher iBestall Leopard. And the first you'll see one website, just click on it. Now you'll see a download option, just click on it. Now click on this download now option. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now you'll see the application, just double click it to run this software installer. Now click on next, click on next, click on next, click on accept, click on next, click on next, click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on finish and wait for a few seconds. Now here you can see the minimize and maximize effect also. So you can see here, and if you want to make this applications auto hide, then you can just select this automatically hide. So it will get automatically hide. So just untick it right now. So here are tons more options. You can check out by yourself, and under the appearance you can select the different themes here. So you can see here different themes here, and even you can adjust the transparency also depending upon your needs, and even you can increase or decrease the dog size, and you can increase the magnifications also here. And next one is positions, where you want to place this at the top, at the right, at the left, at the bottom. So right now I'll just keep it in the bottom. And next option is the level. So under the level you can change the font style of the respective applications showing up in the dock. Next to it is exclusions, next to it is a menu, and last one is the performance. So these are the options you will gonna get inside this application. And if you want to add favorite applications here directly, then you can simply drag the app icon directly here. So you can see here, and if you want to change the app icon also, then just right mouse click on it. And you can see here dog item properties, just click on it, and now you can select this custom icon, and you can click on the change icon, and you can select your icon pegs or your custom icon, and you can even change the name of this app icon also. And if you want to remove it, just drag it and remove it. And now here you will see here program files folder also. Just click on it and it will show you all the files present under the program folder, and next to it is a downloads folder, which will show you all the files present under the download folder also. And last one is the recycle bin. So by using this application named as Arcade Launcher iBestall Leopard, you can easily get 3D style Mac-like dog in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.